Hello again. This is lesson 2 of unit 10. In this lesson, you will be asked to write a description of a process. So this is an assignment for you. Let's see the thing you are going to write about. Here, the instructions say, write 150 words describing the process of manufacturing bricks in the following slide. So manufacturing bricks. This is the process you are going to describe. And of course, as we mentioned earlier, nowadays you won't be given a full week or more than that to finish your assignment, because now you are used to the way or the pattern that you should use to write a description. So you have to submit your assignment within 3 days. After that, of course, you will receive a model answer to compare your writing to it. Now, this is the diagram we have. And as I said, it is about the brick manufacturing. And this is the process of manufacturing bricks. So if you look at the steps, here we have seven steps. But maybe, as I said earlier, you can maybe put each 2 or 3 steps together. It's up to you. Or you can talk about each step by itself. Now, remember, in describing a process, the major 2 things we talked about earlier, which are using the passive. So you have to use the passive and the present passive. And we talked about the present passive earlier again. And the second thing is that you have to use sequencing words to link the steps together. One comes after the other. Now, one thing maybe to mention here, it might help you, is that you can think of a verb to use for each step. And then this verb should be changed into the present passive. Let me just give you an example about the first one. So here we have a digger, as you can see in the diagram. We have a digger, and it's digging the ground to get clay. So the verb that could be used here is dig. Now, when you want to make a sentence, the sentence might be like clay is dug. See? Clay is dug. Is dug, of course, the passive, present passive, is plus the past participle of dig. Then you can use for the second step another verb like put, for example. Put or place. Because as you can see here, the clay is put or placed on a metal grid. All right. So here you can use place or put, and so on. You can go on with the steps one by one and try to, let's say, choose a suitable verb to be used in that step. All right, and don't forget to use the sequencing words and the phrases that we have learned earlier about naming the graph or the diagram and starting the conclusion, general idea. All these things, don't forget them. All right.